Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are unraveling the art of creating new database views in Notion. So let's dive into this handy feature and explore different ways to visualize your data. Are you ready to transform your data? Well, let's get started. Imagine having multiple views of the same information: a board, a calendar, a list, a gallery, or even a timeline. First, let's create a new view. Simply click the plus symbol at the top left beside the table. Give your new view a name and choose Board from the right side menu. Behold, your rows transform into cards on a board, grouped by tags. Click on a card and it unfolds into a page. Same content, fresh perspective. But wait, there is more. Filtering is a breeze. Click Filter at the top of your table to narrow your focus. Choose default options or add advanced filters to meet your needs. Sorting the magic touch for organization. Click Sort at the top, select a property like due date and choose Ascending to reorder tasks by priority. Behold the transformation, your database brought to life in various views. Filter, sort, and make each perspective uniquely yours. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.